we have Jan Lawnikanis here today, and she is showing how to use color pencils on the watercolor.
Right, so I've done an underpainting just of paint, and now we're going to add some details, but before going into too much detail, I'm just putting in some of these little veins and things very quickly so that they can get blended through the painting underneath. Changing the colour to go a bit pinker, so putting a light layer of colour on, and then when I see that it goes more purple, I will put that on too. So without going to too much detail just yet, I can do all this, just following the direction of the veins but without too much detail. Then wetting my brush, taking off excess water and quickly blending that through and leaving just a little bit of a lighter edge around the top. So there is some detail still visible, but it's not greatly finished at this stage. It's just giving a bit of an essence really of those veins that are in there. And then when that's dry, I can come back in now with a dry pencil and continue going over that.
Okay, and how long, like how many layers do you have to do with the pencil?
Until you feel it's enough. Sometimes, I could do quite a few. Other times it's just depends
All right.
how much you need to build it up.
Okay.
So yeah, I can see right away that I could go quite a bit more purple down through here, for example. Because the paper's wet, the pencils are activating on there, and making it darker.
So do they finish crayon-y, or do they blend in as watercolor?
Yeah, well, if we look at a finished one here, so it mainly looks like a watercolor, but it does have some texture from the pencils there. So that looks more blended than that.
Yeah.
But having little areas that are sitting on top of the paper gives a little bit of contrast.
Thank you so much, Jan. I'm sure our members will love it. Thanks for coming here.